Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. It's 7 December 2020 and it's our 5th period of chemistry. Today we will discuss the last 4 branches of chemistry, and our today's learning outcomes will be: you will inshallah be able to identify the learned concepts, and you will also be able to differentiate among different branches of chemistry that we will discuss today. In our last class, as you already know, we have learned physical chemistry, organic chemistry, inorganic chemistry and biochemistry with their scope. Today we will learn about industrial chemistry, nuclear chemistry, environmental chemistry and analytical chemistry. What is meant by industrial chemistry? The branch of chemistry that deals with the manufacturing of chemical compounds on commercial scale is known as industrial chemistry. The word commercial scale is the key word. जितनी भी प्रोडक्ट कमर्शियल स्केल पे प्रिपेयर होती हैं, इंडस्ट्रियल केमिस्ट्री उनके साथ डील करती है. फॉर एग्जांपल, कोई भी केमिकल प्रोडक्ट ले लें आप जो इंडस्ट्रीज में बन रही हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल, फर्टिलाइजर, सोप, डिटर्जेंट, टेक्सटाइल, ऑल द एग्रीकल्चरल प्रोडक्ट्स, पेंट्स एक्सेट्रा, इंडस्ट्रियल केमिस्ट्री इनके साथ डील करती है. द नेक्स्ट ब्रांच इज न्यूक्लियर केमिस्ट्री. न्यूक्लियर केमिस्ट्री इज द ब्रांच ऑफ केमिस्ट्री दैट डील्स विद द रेडियो एक्टिविटी, nuclear processes and their properties as well. The main concern of this branch is with the atomic energy and its use in our everyday life. In simple words, nuclear chemistry की बहुत vast application है हमारी everyday life में for obtaining energy on large scale. Nowadays, nuclear chemistry को use करके बहुत सारी disease से कैसे हम बच सकते हैं, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी कैसे प्रोड्यूस की जा सकती है, फूड को कैसे प्रिजर्व किया जा सकता है, न्यूक्लियर केमिस्ट्री हमारी एवरीडे लाइफ में बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. इन्वायरमेंटल केमिस्ट्री इज दैट ब्रांच ऑफ केमिस्ट्री इन विच वी स्टडी अबाउट कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ इन्वायरमेंट एंड द इफेक्ट ऑफ ह्यूमन एक्टिविटी ऑन द इन्वायरमेंट. फॉर एग्जांपल, पोल्यूशन कैसे काज हो रही है, हाउ वी कैन प्रिवेंट इट, हाउ वी कैन कंजर्व आवर एनवायरमेंट, लाइक बाय रिड्यूसिंग all those components which are polluting our environment or reusing those products which are environment friendly, or recycling is the best way. So environmental chemistry is related to other branches like biology, geology, ecology, soil and water for preserving our environment. Last but not least, analytical chemistry is the branch of chemistry that deals with the separation and analysis of sample to identify its component. किसी भी sample को analyze करना, that analysis may be on quality base or on quantity base. For example, qualitative analysis provide the identity of a substance, for example its composition, and quantitative analysis determine the amount of each component present in the sample. So our assessment questions will be: define analytical chemistry, differentiate between quantitative and qualitative analysis, define industrial chemistry, you will also discuss its scope, define environmental chemistry. Allah Hafiz.